Hi guys, hope you're doing amazing. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to discuss hair. I think it's one of the most discussed topics everywhere, and I have been facing a lot of dryness. My hair is naturally dry, but when winters come, my hair becomes very dry and frizzy, and it's really difficult for me to control the frizz and make them look manageable, sleeker, and keep them softer. So I was looking for a product and I discovered Biolage Smoothproof, which is a professional deep smoothing 6-in-1 serum. So I have been using Biolage Smoothproof serum for almost 2 weeks now, and I have been really loving how it has made my hair and has transformed them completely. They no longer feel dry, and they look very manageable. And the best part about the serum is that it is very lightweight. It is not your typical thick sticky serum. It is very lightweight. It conditions and nourishes hair, and it keeps my hair really manageable and smooth throughout the day, no matter what. And ever since I started using it, I have not faced the frizzy, puffy, dry mess that my hair used to become earlier. I like to use it in two ways. First, I like to use it on damp hair. When I come out of shower, I use it on damp hair. And the second way, I like to use it after I style my hair. Sometimes I even like to apply Biolage serum after styling my hair, because it just keeps flyaways in place and it just looks nice. You know, the styled hair or blow dried hair look much nicer. So as you can see, the texture is very light. It has this unique non-greasy texture, and it has 6-in-1 hair benefits. So this serum has a blend of hair superfoods like avocado, grapeseed oil. So this is perfect to tame your dry, frizzy hair. So the avocado oil in this serum makes my hair really shiny, and it also makes them look really healthy, and it nourishes my hair. It doesn't weigh them down, so you just have that bounce in your hair, but at the same time there is no frizz or flyaway, which is something I personally really like, because I have a lot of baby hair on the crown, and whenever I heat style my hair, they all just kind of stand up. And to just tame them down, I really like to use the serum, because this is non-sticky, non-greasy, very beautiful, very thin serum. I would love to share the 6-in-1 benefits of Biolage Smoothproof serum. So it controls frizz, smoothens rough ends, protects from humidity, adds instant shine, nourishes dry hair, and instantly detangles. So for 2 weeks now, I have been using the Biolage Smoothproof serum with the Smoothproof shampoo and conditioner, and the trio has made my life so easy. My hair feel really nice, nourished. They do not look or feel dry or messy. I have been loving the range, especially the Biolage Smoothproof serum, because it is very easy on pocket. You can also use it during traveling or before you travel, so that the hair can withstand the humidity, because you know, humidity just ruins the style, and it also adds so much frizz. So I will quickly share how I like to use the serum on my hair. So when my hair is dry, or when I have styled my hair, I generally like to use around 4 to 5 drops of this serum. I just rub my palms together. I divide my hair into 2 parts, and then run my fingers from mid-length to the ends, and apply it very gently while combing my hair through my fingers. You don't have to apply it on the roots, and just apply it on the length for instant shine and to detangle your hair and to make them frizz free and smoother. I also love how it smells. It smells very mild, and it has a very nice fresh fragrance, and I really enjoy products that have nice fresh mild soothing aroma. So I generally like to use all the 3 products together, the Biolage Smoothproof shampoo, conditioner, and the serum, because I think the trio works really well for my dry frizzy hair. Now I would quickly like to share the prices of the 3 products. So the Biolage Smoothproof Deep Smoothing Serum is priced at Rs 300. You are getting 100 ml. The Smoothproof shampoo is priced at Rs 400, and you get 400 ml. And Smoothproof conditioner is Rs 335, 196 grams. So I would highly recommend you guys to check out the Biolage Smoothproof range, the shampoo, conditioner, and the serum. If you struggle with dry, frizzy hair, that are not easy to manage or easy to style. This range has helped me a lot, and I'm sure it's going to help you a lot as well. I'm going to leave a link to purchase these products in the description box. Do not forget to check it out. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.